Ya está recording or no?
Yeah.
Is it? Oh yeah. Avance pues.
Your dogs want to attack that fool? Call your dogs, fool.
Good little buddy.
Se acostó, güey. He said fuck that.
He said fuck that shit. Nah, he was actually like faster. I was like, all right, fuck it. He's like, throw it in second way.
And his heartbeat is cool, fool. Look, he's not even scared.
He's chilled way, you know? Ya nomás. Holy shit.
What you call him, fool? What'd you name him?
Timothy? Timmy?
Tú le llamó Timmy, güey.
Timmy.
Come on, Thumper, let's go, buddy.
Oh, it's my thumper way.
Ride's over. Come on. Let's go. You're good, buddy. Come on, let's go. See, he's wagging his tail. He loved it.
Y'all motherfuckers need a fucking goat, man.
Lola, you want to ride too? I think Lola wants to ride too.
Philly Lola's next week. Down for his shit. This fool's all cool about it, bro. Look.
I thought que se iba a cagar el güey. Nah, he's
Oh, he's taking a piss, look. Right on time, homie. Them big balls for you motherfuckers.
Se me oira, güey.
Apenitas.
Yeah, at least it was inside your car.
So as long as you hear the dogs won't fuck with him?
Yeah.